nice train.
Yes, except for the not moving part.
Hello? Is anybody here?
Anybody? Ha! I assure you, my young man, I am far from just anybody. And if it is just anybody you're looking for, you should find somebody else.
Well, who are you then?
I thought you'd never ask. It is I, Ringmaster Extraordinaire, host of the world-famous, world-traveling Circus of the World. Tonight, you will see wonders beyond your wildest imaginations. The juggling penguins. The high-diving monkeys. And the delightful drumming elephants. Now that's more like it!
Whoa! Motorsaur and the train are too heavy for this bridge.
Hit the brakes!
Brakes! Yes, let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
No! Okay, now we just have to back this thing up before... Don't worry now, I'll give us a little boost. Actually, Motorsaur, you will.
Nice save, Motorsaur.
I knew those ankle boots would come in handy.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.